Hello Uneek family, welcome back to the channel. As you see, I have my little bow on, so that means it's time for that collaboration with TONI Talks Unboxings for Face Mask of the Month. Hello everybody, if you're not familiar with me, my name is Patrice and here at Uneek Avon, I love doing unboxings for Avon, including tips, tricks, what's new, collaborations with the Carolina girls and Uneek Squad, and I am actually loving my Pokemon 25th anniversary makeup inspired series. If you like any of those and if you would love to join in the fun here at Uneek Avon, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you won't miss any single time we upload. April is always going to be a very special month for me because I am actually a mother to a very special teenager, and she is 15 years old, and I love someone with autism. I absolutely love my shirt. And so for the month of April, I will be doing a lot of things geared towards that. So you'll see me in blue, or I'll do blue inspired makeup, or I'll even wear my blue shirt, just so you know it is part of our awareness month. This shirt I actually purchased at a local Walmart, and this shirt helped benefit the Autism Speak program, which is a very important program to us. It gives voices to parents and teens and children on all ages of the spectrum to let them know that they are being heard. There are a lot of different resources, and of course I will leave that information down in the description box below for you. So in case you are a parent, grandparent, aunt, uncle, whatever, to a special need child, you will have those resources just like we did. So this month, as my daughter's sitting over there, so this month it's going to be extra special with TONI Talks Unboxings. I found something really fun. And it is this Freeman's gift set. Now this gift set right here is called Glow On Ultimate Facial Kit. It has 4 different masks. This is the rejuvenating. There's a detox. There's also a hydrating. And then there's a blueberry, which is around there somewhere. I don't know. I think it might be over here, y'all. Yeah, it's over here. And then there's a cooling mask with aloe and watermelon. There's a clearing mask. There's anti-stress mask. There's a rejuvenating. And there's these 2 things, right? 3 things here. Peel-offs and gel mask and mud mask. And I'm going to have so much fun. It also comes with tools and a cleaning brush here. And so this is what we'll be using up as we are having Self-Care Sundays Mask Edition with TONI Talks Unboxing. So, because it is Autism Awareness Month, and because it is all about light it up for the color blue, I'm going to have so much fun with this, and we have so many different things coming up for Autism Awareness. I know we have beautiful things with the Carolina girls coming up. I have some Makeup Mondays coming up with some special guests. So if you would like to see that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified every single time we upload a video here. So let's get started on our Self-Care Sunday Face Mask of the Month with the TONI Talks Unboxing. So I think this month, Yasmin, which one should we do? Should we do the clay mask? Should we do the hydrating mask? Or should we do the blueberry mask? Which one? The blueberry mask? Yeah. The blueberry. Okay, so Yasmin chose the blueberry sheet mask is what I'm going to be doing this month. So, yay! So let me just pull it out the package. So this wonderful thing right here is called a Freeman's. This is called Feeling Beautiful Brightening Blueberry Sheet Mask. This instantly brightens and glows your complexion and is made for all skin types. It says, treat your skin to a brightening sheet mask. To a brightening sheet mask, blueberry extract helps brighten an even skin tone with vitamin complex, perfect for all skin types. Yay! So I'm going to put this on. Enjoy the music. Sit back, relax as we put on this beautiful sheet mask.
Let's have a bit
that? Oh my gosh, that was so hydrating. Look at that. Yeah, that really did the trick right there. That, woo. What you think, Yasmin? Yeah. Yeah, you like it? I love it. Look how my skin looks. Yeah, that was a good idea, right? I love the way my skin looks. I absolutely love that. Look at that. It is so hydrating and it's so moisturizing. I absolutely love it. You like it? Yeah. Make my skin look good? Okay. All right. Yasmin did a good job. So that was our Freeman's Brightening Blueberry Sheet Mask. And that was out of our wonderful set that we purchased from Amazon. I will actually leave the link to the Amazon where I purchased this beautiful thing. I also will leave a link to Autism Speaks down in the description box below. We hope that you enjoyed this beautiful self-care Sunday. I love Face Mask of the Month. This is amazing. As it's drying, y'all. Look at that. As it's drying, it looks incredible. Incredible. So from all of us to all of you, thank you so very much for joining us on this beautiful self-care Sunday. Please do not forget to go over to TONI Talks Unboxing's channel. Of course, she and all my fellow squad sisters are linked down in the description box below. So from all of us to all of you, remember, be happy, be kind, be courageous. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.